Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I will be talking about fans. Fans also meaning your audience. So I'm going to separate this topic into these different categories here. If you're starting out as an unknown webcomic artist, I would suggest to try to get your comic out there. I recommend maybe joining a Facebook community group. The one I joined is called Webcomic Creators. You can check it out if you want and see if it suits you. I also personally recommend Amino. It's an app that you can join communities who share the same interests as you. Like for instance, I joined some webcomic creator communities and we get to talk about webcomics, we get to like each other's webcomic, and yeah, it's fun. I guess you could also join communities in Reddit or Discord, just whatever platform that you can find to try to get your name out there. Next, let's talk about how you can try to get fans in social media. If you're on Facebook, you pretty much can't do anything unless you're like really famous. You could try to get some of your IRL friends to read it, or if you're introverted like me and have no friends, then let's move on to Instagram. So Instagram is pretty cool because you can use hashtags. Just try to put whatever webcomic related hashtag. I also do YouTube, which is right now what I'm doing. I just teach people about how I make webcomics, and in return I'll promote it at the end of the video that I have this comic. Moving on, let's get more in-depth about how you can promote your comic to a larger audience. So I'd say there's a aggressive way of doing it. There's also a passive way of doing it. Aggressive meaning, one of those YouTubers that you watch that would give out giveaways and stuff like that. It's sort of like that, but of course you're not fucking giving out an iPhone X or whatever. You could give out sketches. I've seen webcomics, they do question of the day. I will pick out the best commenter and I will showcase them in the next episode. Just by acknowledging your fans really helps promote your comic. So the passive way of promoting is kind of like what I do now, I guess. I don't really go out of my way to promote it, but I always update my comic consistently. If I know I have any complications that I couldn't upload the next week, I would definitely let them know. Just don't ghost out on them. For sure, with the promotion that you do in the beginning and the consistency of you updating, you're bound to get a steady fan base here and there. Finally, and most importantly, I would say listen to your fans. Your fans are the people that's giving you the viewership, right? So if they have something this common, just read them, acknowledge them. If you like it, and if you have something to say, reply them, Even if sometimes it's not what you want to hear, you should still acknowledge them. If really in the end you decided not to stick with it, just thank them for the comment anyway and be like, oh, I will try to see what I can do about it, Whatever the case, it's definitely gonna help you grow as an artist, and it's also definitely gonna grow the trust between you and your fans. By putting your content out there, you are open to feedbacks, in all feedbacks in general, even if it's good, bad, or even just troll shitty feedbacks, It's the internet, and you shouldn't feel too bad about it in the end, and just try to do what you can do. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have anything else to add, feel free to leave them down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my comic roommates, and if you want to support me, I have Ko-fi and Patreon, and I shall see you in the next episode. See ya!